I'm going to be dyeing my hair pink. In 2016, I dyed my hair pink, but it was like a dark, deep pink that I had. It was pink at the top and purple at the bottom. And now that my hair is light, thanks to my bleaching accident a few months ago, I'm going to use this opportunity to get like a pastel pink color in my hair. What I have as is directions. These are a semi-permanent hair coloring. I've used these for years. I mean, I've been dyeing my hair for so long. So the color is this. I think it's really pretty, and I will see if it matches my tone of face. I've been suggested to use it in one or two ways. One way, which is my way. So what I do is I take the product rawly and just lather into my hair how I want it to be. Or two, which is what someone suggested, was to mix it with conditioner. Because this is already a very light pink and I don't like really mixing stuff, so I'm just gonna put it right on my head. It's a bright pink. Nothing's going to go wrong with a bright pink. My god, I look so pretty. What the hell? Right. Okay, this is really weird because I have like the worst taste in hairstyles, everything. But I think this looks alright. This looks pretty. Right. I look like noodle ramen. Oh, okay. Now that I have my noodle hair, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just... Now that my hair is brushed, I am going to start putting this in my hair. It is suggested to use gloves because it's such a light colour and I don't have any on me. I'm just going to put it right into my hair. Oh, and I am still sectioning my hair, by the way. I really like it. Oh my goodness, I really like it. Whilst that's doing, I'm actually going to have a bubble bath. I bought myself a black bath bomb, so I'm excited to put it into the water and just relax. I'm going to leave it on for about an hour. Hopefully that will be enough time for my hair to absorb the actual pink dye. And then when I wash it off and dry it off, hopefully it will look really pretty. I can see it's taking it in a little bit. I personally do not believe
the dye is pigmented enough. Directions is really good. It's just this colour seems to be very, very faint. I mean, it's really cute. I'm not 100% sure that this is exactly what I envisioned. I know, I envisioned just a little bit more pigment. Ta-da! This is the final pink look. So this is the final product. I like it half and half. I was expecting it to be a little bit more pigmented, for the pink to be a little bit more in my hair, but the bottle does say pastel pink, and that is kind of what I thought I wanted. I'm not mad. I think it's really pretty. I think it's nice. I'm enjoying this. I'm really enjoying this pink. It's very, very light pink in my hair. On that note, I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe and like and share, comment, whatever. I don't even know what to say anymore. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Stay kind, peeps.